That's your own beer money. Who's dumb now? Open your eyes.
See, what happened was, my forefathers, about the forefathers, they came down right here. Right here. Well, you can't really see, but they came down and they were telling me, they were like, listen, Matthew, you have to go down and get burgers. Those are crystals. You can't see it, there's boxes. There's boxes, don't worry about it. It's crystals. Burgers on burgers on burgers. That's all I want is burgers. A little bit of some bacon, just some bacon on them burgers. Just a little bit of bacon on them burgers.
How much bacon?
This much bacon on them burgers. I want this much burger and this much bacon.
You know that bacon? The kind that tastes like maple?
What? The maple kind? What?
I can't right now.
Covered it in what?
With cat treats. And then you know what I did?
What?
I gave it to the cat.
No! No!